In the high chair. Hailey. Turn around, sit down. Now you gotta work on the buckle. Do you know how to buckle? I don't think she quite knows. Well, maybe she knows where it goes. She can get it in there, but not get it undone. And she figured all of this out on her own. Yesterday we discovered she can get in the high chair by herself. She's trying to buckle it. She's watching her show. Hailey, buckle. You got one. Where's the other buckle? And almost. You got turned around. Get it in there. Get it. Almost. Mommy, help? Yeah, you want Mommy to buckle? Okay, you almost got it by yourself.